Hi, welcome back. I know it's been a little while since I've done one of our reviews, and a lot of stuff actually has changed here. I've slowed way down on reviews because we started a business, or I started a business with soap making. Natural soaps that are vegan, minimal products, going into them, so that way you're getting less chemicals. And our packaging is all biodegradable too. So that way, we're really cutting out all the plastic bottles of soap that we have in the house. Because we had a lot. Because I used to order them in bulk from Amazon. And I was like looking and I was thinking about all of them piled up in landfills. And it just made sense to try making my own soap. But what I'm not going to be reviewing soap exactly. I actually just got an order from Nurture Soap. And I've used them. This is like my third time using them. I don't know if anybody else there has, but they've got really good products. And they always give out a little freebie, which is like one of my favorite things. It's this. It always comes in one of these. I've got a few of these around now, but it's mica. This one is Magic Moments. That's cool. I like the colors, like rose, kind of a rose gold, which would come out really pretty in like a white with that going through. I don't know. And I have these. So with every order you get this really cool nifty little card. And it says, whoa, some people don't use handmade soap. Yeah, gets me too. But it's got Keanu Reeves, looking fab and pretty confused right there. I gotta save it because I put it on my stove. Or on our little thing that hangs over it. But I ordered 3 things, and one of them I have been wanting to buy, but just haven't because it is on the expensive side. But it's a really good natural colorant. Oh, that looks so cool. But it came in this because, for one, this is a powder. It's a colorant powder. But let me see if I can get that to... It's not going to adjust for us. It says indigo. It's a really pretty blue indigo. Let's see. Oh, you can't really tell because it's so dark and I can't really tip it. It looks like it's green to me. Like where I'm looking at right now is the computer where I have the camera view anyhow. But this is actually like a nice powdery navy blue. But to me, on my computer here, it actually looks like green. Like it matches my green shirt. But this is packaged so well. So it's there, goes in that. Safe and sound. Because who wants to open up a box and have blue powder everywhere? Okay, next. I got 2 also sealed in a nice package. These are big old bottles of fragrance oil. I do fragrance oils and essential oils in our soaps. And these guys, their fragrance oils seem to work really well in the soaps. So let's look. So this one's the first one, Pumpkin Party. Oh my god, that smells so good. It's like pumpkin-y, but also like almost like cinnamon bread too. Oh my lord. So this one's called Pumpkin Party, and it is super like bakery kind of scent. So Pumpkin Party by Nurture Soaps. Maybe if I get real close. Nope. Not even then. No. I don't have a light right there either because mine's, I'm pretty well lit in here. I got like 5 lights on. So this one's called Mad About Mint. I have never tried this one either. These are both new to me. Ooh. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. So usually I use an essential oil for all of our minty needs. But I decided to give this a try. Oh no, I feel like sneezing now. It's the thing with all these different scents. When they're strong, they're strong. So this says no discoloration or acceleration in soap, which that can be a problem if it does do acceleration. The coloration thing usually you can work with. The Pumpkin Party has a light brown discoloration, which is kind of expected. But it says it right on the front. It gives you all kinds of information as far as the vanillin. Gives you instruction on each one on percentage to use, you know, calculated wise. And directs you to use the fragrance calculator on nurturesoap.com, which is where I ordered this from. And they actually have some really cool options where you can use something called Sezzle. As long as you are approved for it, Sezzle will let you do payments, which is awesome. Anything else? I'm always like, oh, is there more? There's no more. But I really enjoy this one. And I had a lot of trouble finding the pumpkin scent. And I was so happy to see that they had it. And I got a bigger one because I can actually do bath bombs, soaps, and scrubs with this. Oh, I love how that smells. It smells really good. I cannot wait. And then this one will be perfect for like our peppermint scrub. Because we do peppermint scrubs, soaps, and bath bombs. Like, it's not overwhelming to where like my eyes aren't burning right now. I just sniffed it like 4 times. So it's really good fragrance oil. They have got a really jamming selection. I get my Blackberry Bliss through them. Blackberry Bliss is actually my #1 seller all across the board. It just smells so good. So I order big old bottles of it. If you guys need just regular essential oils, these guys have really good essential oils too. But where did I put? Oh, with every order, you'll get one of these. And what's cool is they like to give you, it's like a little bonus, you know, where you get these. But in big old packages, you can get like 24 of these for, it kind of ranges. It could be like 20 bucks, 30 bucks, kind of depending. You get what you pay for. But I love their freebies. So if you guys are interested, I'll leave a link for you guys. That way you guys can shop around too. For all you soapers, you can use the micas because they've got a lot of Mad Micas and other things like that. The really bright ones. All different kinds of sizes and colors. This is just a 5-gram bag. But I'm going to leave that link. That way you guys can go check it out for yourselves. So thanks for watching. And go check out Homemade Joy Co. Homemade Joy Co. We've only actually been around for about 1.5 years now. Almost 2 years, I do believe. But we're on Facebook. We have homemadejoyco.com, which we're actually updating more and more. We've got so many soaps that are curing right now, and dish soaps. We do dish soap and then hand and body. So you can check all of those out. And we'll be starting a YouTube channel just for Homemade Joy Co. really soon too. But I hope you guys have a wonderful September, because I probably won't do another video this month. Who knows? I might, you never know, but more than likely I won't. So I hope you guys have a wonderful September. Bye.